Here's how to fix the add phone number option missing in Roblox. First of all, you need to launch a web browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now, this video explains why the option might be missing and what you can do about it. So tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, then go to settings. And from the account info, try viewing your phone number if you have it associated with your Roblox account. If it's not showing or the phone number option isn't available, there are 3 reasons why you might not see the phone number option. There may be a possibility that your phone number is linked to a terminated Roblox account and your country isn't supported. Roblox removed the phone number option for some countries, and if Roblox detects that you're one of those countries, you won't be able to see the option. And if your account is under 13, you need to verify your age. If you're over 13, verify your age, and you also should then be able to add a phone number. So these are the 3 reasons why you might not be able to add a phone number to your Roblox account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.